Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Jordan.
I've got water rushing through my balls.
How dare you?
Not a chance it'll live.
And I'm Annalise.
And now it's time to go in the pool. Garlic bread.
And we live for adventure, hence the name.
You can't beat them, John.
Back in November, we hopped on the Eurotunnel and started our 90-day road trip in mainland Europe.
Bonjour.
We started off in Belgium where
It's just not us.
No, it's
We're
not
not
us at
city
all.
people.
No.
We thought we'd give it a go and it's too busy. We want to be
Yeah.
in the mountains or by the coast.
so we decided to head straight to Spain for the good weather.
This week we explored the abandoned mines of Mazarron.
Do you know what mine this is called?
Mind your own business.
Find another coastal park-up completely overrun. Visited the park-up of dreams.
Looks like it was made for us.
And Jordan finally caught some fish.
Welcome back to another vlog, guys. We're at a disused mine in Mazarron. Getting everything ready now for a campfire tonight, and here he is. The cowboy in the making.
Never guess what goes in here.
Oh, is it a pea jug?
That's where my fish goes.
We're gonna head up to the top of this hill here. We got the dog with us, but he's just let his ass go. This man doesn't know what the weight of his hand feels like. He's always got a beer in it. Cheers. Up you go, Sandra.
It did sound really cool. Up you go. Sweating boxer.
Oh, it's warm actually, isn't it? It's warmer than thought. Is it quite deep? Let's have a look down here. Ooh. You see the pigeon there?
Yeah, there's loads of them. I want to figure out what
This place is crazy, isn't it?
No.
It's literally crazy, but we found a cracking park up over there, away from the motorhomes.
Let's go take a look down here, Sandra.
Do you know what mine this is called?
Mind your own business. Apparently the Romans used to,
Use it.
yeah.
It's quite cool. You can actually park somewhere like this, though, isn't it?
Yeah. This is,
Plenty to explore around.
there's not
Isn't it,
many,
Sandy?
like, big
Isn't it?
European cities. Countryside. Not many big European, or the main ones, where you can do things like that.
Yeah, true.
There's a lot of them are like, they're blocked for like safety reasons and stuff, but anywhere in the UK,
Could you
it's hard
imagine?
to find places like this without big fences around it.
There'd be fences around it and then like CCTV, wouldn't there? Be cool though, like, but the only problem is if this was in the UK, it'd be abused, wouldn't it?
Yeah, there would be needles in the corner. Someone would be squatting
Yeah.
in both ways.
You probably wouldn't park there, would you?
No.
Whoa, it's a big drop down there, isn't it?
Oh, hello there!
Hello there, farmer!
You can kind of see the back.
Can you?
Yeah, because there must be some light coming in the chimney or something. If you see at the top.
Oh yeah, I can see it, yeah.
But we need some torches. Just to check there's no human feces in here.
Oh.
Just got up on the top of Mount Everest.
You dad.
We're having our last beach day today before heading inland across Spain, unfortunately making our way home slowly. Oh my god.
This is bad,
This is why van life is going to be banned in Spain.
Yeah, exactly why.
What the hell?
Can I just carry on down here? That makes sense. Harry and Rach sent us a location and we tried to get down there, but the van's just a little bit too wide. We went as far as we could, but then when I started to scratch the side window on the side pod, I wasn't too happy. So that's the side window. That's all scratched, and the side pod as well. A little bit gutted about that, but here's what it is. So we're going to try and see if we can find a better spot and then drop them the pin, and if they want to come down then we can meet up. But yeah, we just couldn't get down there. As soon as we got into the tree line, like a branch hit the top of the van, and then the bushes scratched all the window on the side pod. But that's only one place that we've not been able to get to in it.
We've finally made it to another spot where there is literally no one, apart from another camper van that's just turned up about 2 minutes ago. this will do. And we've got a bit of work to catch up on tonight, so we'll have a nice, quiet, productive night, and then we're just going to go fishing now at the beach. Look how happy she is. It's a shark bite! So it might have been an unsuccessful fishing trip, but you got some new lures.
Yeah, I got some new lures.
They were washed up on the beach, so finders keepers.
That's it, that's here, innit? Good beach though, innit?
Lovely.
So we're going for round 2 of fishing. I've just seen a guy catching down at the beach, and I wanted to know what setup he had, because I feel like I've been putting on like way over complicated rigs, and all he had on was something like that, and he was catching loads of fish. So I've gone light, and I'm gonna see if I can catch me a big one, mate.
This guy's just pulling one out after another. That is mental. I think he's catching to eat them though, because he's not putting them back in. Oh, he's telling us to go over there. He's got one. Come on, Lil, let's go and have a look. Lily, come on. Whee! He's got one.
No way.
Yeah. One fall.
This guy over here has just been catching like loads and loads of fish. So I thought I'd come down and try it with something like a little small diving lure. And bang, straight away, just caught a fish.
Hey up, he's got another. Come on man, let's go and see. Oh, he's lost it. We're back on. Yeah. Got ya. That's lovely. Here he is, pulling them out. That one looks bigger. That's a good one, isn't it?
It is, isn't it?
Be free. Good Lil, she's like, I want one.
So the guy's name's Julio who's borrowed me this. Just need to take your eye out.
I know.
But it's absolute cracker. Like literally just keep coming up for it. When you hit it as well, they hit it in the shallows here. As I was reeling in the shallow bit, it just went bang. Got onto it. What a successful fishing trip that was, eh? All them blanks in bloody Scotland and all the way down the coast. Turns out you only need something like that. Joke. And there were lumps as well, weren't they?
Yeah, they were massive.
You reckon Harry would have ate them, wouldn't he, if he was here?
Yeah, definitely.
Dirty boy.
So we've had an amazing morning fishing. Jordan finally caught some fish.
Get in.
But it's time to head inland now. So if you are new to the channel and you haven't watched all of our Europe road trip videos, make sure to start it here. I'll put the little link So a little bit of a recap, we got the Eurotunnel over to Calais and made our way into Belgium. We then went through France, down to the south of France and into Spain, and we basically just hugged the coastline all the way down, and now we're making our way up to the north of Spain. But now we're away from the coast, we've noticed a massive difference in temperature, so that's why we're all wrapped up, and we've got no diesel in the diesel heater, so we're going to nip to the petrol station, top that up so we're nice and toasty warm tonight, and we've got a mega park up. So our diesel heater tank is separate to the van one, so we just keep ours in our little box.
€5. Shit. Steve brought me toll that bloody air.
This place is insane. We are actually going to be exploring this area that we're driving through right now in next week's vlog, so make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the dingly bell so you get a notification when the video goes live.
I actually just want to keep looking, but I feel like I'm going to end up crashing the van.
This place is insane, look at this view. So we've just found this spot here which seems a lot more level. We're a bit more off the road as well because the road basically runs down there. So our van's here and it's more in sight. So if we go in this little corner here, I think that'll be nice. What's that noise? No way.
It's all the goats, isn't it? Is it?
It's all the bells around the neck, isn't it, I think?
Loads of them.
Sounds like an ice cream man or something, doesn't it?
Ice cream goat.
I don't know if there were cows, you know, because it looked like there were cows on the other side as we were driving up.
Feels like we're in Scotland again, doesn't it?
It does, doesn't it?
Bar obviously the fact that it's much warmer and the mountains are a little bit bigger here.
Yeah, and the lakes. Well,
Lower.
Yeah. Come on then. And we're in, look at that. Looks like it was made for us. Gonna have a little walk now to see if we can get down to the lake if we follow this track. Everyone tell Jordan off in the comments.
Why?
He nicked an orange from a farmer's tree. What do you call it? An orange tree.
Look at it, because it's perfectly round. I had to take it.
End the video here, guys. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, leave a comment down below, and join us next week when we visit the thermal pools. See you on the next one.